Hey, happy lunchtime Friday. I have a guest this week. It's Earl Dodd over at WWT, Worldwide Technology, and he's a global practice lead for HPC. How cool is that? So why don't we get this going right off the beginning. Earl, you're a legend. Everyone reads your post. They're always advancing the cause for HPC and AI. But tell us about yourself and why'd you join WWT or Worldwide Tech?
Yes, so thanks, Ken. Hey, it's really great to be here with you and with the WEKA team. Yeah, my journey's been a long and serendipitous one. I've been in the industry about 41 years. I was looking at that the other day. My golly, I'm on the fourth decade. Can you believe that? And I've always been working with supercomputers and high performance computing and anything at scale. And so, and I've had a really great career. I love what I do, whether it was at Cray Research, Cray, SGI, HPE, etc., and IBM. And now I got the opportunity about 18 months ago to come to work for WWT to stand up their new business practice. And what it means is I get to create a new company inside the company. And we're almost a $14 billion company last year, over 7,000 folks. And I get the opportunity to be a kid in the candy store.
That's awesome. Speaking of the candy store, everybody everywhere talks about something called the ATC, and it sounds like an all-terrain vehicle almost, but it's not. Can you, for those not familiar with it, most people haven't been to St. Louis to see it yet, and those who have will always remember it. Can you talk about, for those who haven't seen the ATC, because of COVID, it's a little bit tough to get there. Can you describe what it is and what impact it leaves?
Yeah, absolutely. So the ATC, as you said, the Advanced Technology Center, is roughly about just over a $600 million investment, probably closer to $620 million investment. We have 4 data centers in the St. Louis area. We have a 5th data center with Equinix on-ramp in Ashburn, Virginia. And so that allows us to be the world's biggest, greatest sandbox. And, it's pretty hard for some customers to try different components and systems, try to get performance testing, functionality testing, see if this thing can connect to that thing and do that quickly. It may take months for upgrades, et cetera, to learn that. Well, you can do that actually in real time at the ATC. And by the way, it's open to everybody. So you can go to www.com/ATC, create a login, and just start perusing all the labs. It's a wonderful place to begin.
Wow, kid in the candy store, and then you talk about the best sandbox of all time and some money, not just the good news about the scale of WWT and the number of employees. You get the revenue, you get the employees, and you have, it's not easy to convince the general managers to spend the money on things like this. This is incredible.
It is. But, our goal, we have a very unique culture at WWT. So we take, because we're not a company that is on a stock market, we're a privately held company by 2 individuals, the chairman of the board, CEO, and they're all about helping the customer. So we take a very long-term perspective. We do what's right. If we can't help them, we don't get engaged. If they want to go down the wrong path, we don't engage. So we're very selective, and that's proven our worth and certainly our financial revenue being a $14 billion company. And we're growing. We're in our 30th year right now, and we've been doubling every year. So my job is simply to bring another billion or two to the top line.